Hello everyone and welcome back to Zacklit Educational Channel. So in this video we will know the unit wise marks trends that is coming in the UGC NET Environmental Science paper 2. So this will help you to know which units are having higher weightage in the trends going on for the UGC NET examination. From that you can analyze whether if you have skipped some units, whether it will be difficult for you or if it is the least preferred or least having the marks which is coming in the recent trends of the UGC NET examination. So some people are also having doubts whether each of the units are given equal weightage or not. So all these things we will know in this video. So let's start today's video. So this is the table which we have prepared for your convenience to know year-wise trends of the units. Yes, first we'll know all the units. Obviously you'll be knowing, but I will tell you all the units. Unit 1, Fundamental of Environmental Sciences. Second unit, Environmental Chemistry. Third, Environmental Biology. Environmental Geoscience is the 4th unit. Energy and Environment, 5th unit. 6th unit is Environmental Pollution and Control. 7th is Solid and Hazardous Waste Management. 8th is Environmental Assessment, Management and Legislation. Unit 9 is Statistical Approaches and Modeling in Environmental Sciences. And 10th is Contemporary Environmental Issues. So you must be knowing in paper 2, that is the main paper of environmental science, 100 questions are asked. Yes, 100 questions, each carrying 2 marks, that is 200 marks, no negative marking is there. So 10 units along with the comprehension. Yes, reading passage will be also given. It is coming in the exam as per the pattern. So there also 10 questions will be coming. So all total 90 questions will be coming from the 10 units. Yes, and 10 questions will be the related to comprehension, that is the reading passage. So 90 questions, how they are divided, we'll know from this video. From 2021 November to 2024 June, that is the cancelled session of the UGC NET. So let's see with the unit 1. Unit 1, you can see here in November 2021, 6 marks came from there, that is 3 questions each carrying 2 marks. But in 2022 and 2023, you can see 10 and 11 questions were asked from these fundamentals of environmental sciences. Similarly, here you can see in December 2023, 9 questions were asked, and also in the cancelled June 2024 UGC NET session, 9 questions were asked from this unit. That means 18 marks were given to the unit 1 of the environmental science paper for the NET. Next, coming to the environmental chemistry. Environmental chemistry, very important, and most of the students are having the weakness towards this environmental chemistry. But let us see how the trend goes. So here in 2020 November, you can see 15 questions came from this environmental chemistry itself. But in the next year, only 3 questions came, that means 6 marks. But after that, the trend is 12 marks, 14 marks, 12 marks, that is 6-7 questions. But here in the last cancelled session, that is 2024 June session, 10 questions came carrying 20 marks from this environmental chemistry unit. So you can see the value of this environmental chemistry, this unit, 6, 7, 6. Now it is 10 questions are asked from this environmental chemistry unit. Next, environmental biology. Environmental biology for most of the students is the easiest one because they think that it is very simple thing, no need to read in depth, and they are very confident. But now you can see what's the trend going on. So in the 2021 November, 9 questions were asked, then 2022 13, 2023 14, then came 19 questions from the environmental biology. But after that you can see that 9 questions are asked each in December 2023 and June 2024 cancelled session. So that is not like 19 questions or 14 questions. In between, in 2023, 2 times there was a lot of weightage given to this unit. But now as you can see, 9 questions, it is also important, but not like the 2023 session. So environmental biology, 9 questions were asked in the last 2 sessions. Next, coming to the environmental geoscience. It is also one of the very important units, and as you can see from all the units, it is having the maximum weightage in the last session. 13 questions came with 26 marks. Previously 17 questions came with 34 marks weightage. Then 15 questions in the previous one, that is 2023 June. Similarly, in 2021 November, if you can see 15 questions, then 10, 11 questions. So this is also very important unit, environmental geoscience. It is also having the maximum weightage among the other units. Coming to the energy and environment, 5th unit, 16 marks, that means 8 questions were asked in the last session. Before that, 10 questions were asked. Before that, 5, 9 and 10. This was the trend in the energy and environment unit. So here this is also very important thing. Coming to the next unit, environmental pollution and control, 7 questions were asked in the last exam. Before that 9, before that 13, 11, 10 questions were asked in 2022 September and 2021 November session. Coming to the solid and other waste management, that is 9 questions, 18 marks again from this unit. Previously 12 marks, then 14, then 16, then 14, then 8 marks in the 2021 November examination from this unit was asked. Next is environmental management, assessment and legislation, EIA and all. It is also having 18 marks that came in the last session. Before that also similarly 18 marks were asked from that, and before that 12, 16 and 18 and 16 were the trend in this unit. So next is statistical modeling and approaches in the environmental sciences. So this unit, those who are having the weakness in mathematics, they are worried about this unit. But you can see here how the trend goes. Here before that, that means before 2024 June cancel session, 4 questions were asked. Before that 5, 7, 10 and 9. So earlier there used to be more questions from the statistics unit, that is environmental statistics. But here in the last 4 exam you can see 4, 5, 6, 7 questions are asked from this unit. So even if you are not having that grip in this unit, no need to worry about that, because 4, 5 questions will be only coming. If you can attempt it, well and good. If you don't know also, you can just guess it, because there is no negative marking. So no need to waste your last minute revision in this statistics thing, because the trend is not as per the higher marks in this unit. Next is contemporary environmental issues. So this is also having the grip. That means in the last 2 sessions we can see 11 questions were asked from this contemporary environmental issues. So current issues also are asked, Copenhagen, climate change, all this, where the conferences are taking place, what are the goals. So these things are coming under the contemporary environmental issues. So conference of parties, all these things are asked along with the current affairs. So that is having the major portion inside this 10th unit, that is contemporary environmental issues. So you should also give focus to this unit. And comprehension, as usual, 10 questions will be asked, so 20 marks from this unit. So this was the thing which I wanted to tell you, because this will give you an idea. And even if you have skipped some units, you are not having that much strength in that unit, you are lagging in that, because nobody can be perfect in all these 10 units. So even if you are lagging in some of the units, no need to worry, because it is not that from each unit there is having a very major marks coming. Yes, you can say in environmental geoscience, environmental chemistry, they are the top most units which are very, very important. But apart from that, other units, if you are having the grip, you can also qualify NET as well as JRF. So you should not think that I haven't prepared from the other units, I'm not having that much strength, so I cannot qualify. It is not that. If you have grip on maximum units, then you will be able to qualify JRF and fulfill your dreams. So always my best wishes are with you. So all the best for your final revision. Don't take stress. So whatever you have prepared, that will only come in the examination. All the very best. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.